In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who viewed your Google Drive file. Knowing how to track activity on your Google Drive files can be immensely useful, especially when you're collaborating with others on projects or simply want to ensure your shared files are being accessed. Let's delve into the step-by-step process to check who has viewed your file on Google Drive. Firstly, let's begin by navigating to Google Drive itself. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in drive.google.com and hit Enter. Once the page loads, click on the Go to Google Drive button. This will lead you to the login page if you're not already logged into your account. Here, you need to select the Google account that has access to the Drive file you wish to check up on. Simply click on your account, or if it's not listed, you can sign in by entering your email and password. After you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at your Google Drive homepage where all your files and folders are neatly organized. The next step is to locate the specific file whose viewer history you're interested in. You can either scroll through your files if you remember its location, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find it by typing in the file name. Once you've located the file, click on it to highlight it. Now, look towards the top right corner of your file list. You'll notice an icon that looks like 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More Actions button. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select File Information. This action will open up an additional pane on the right side of your screen displaying various details about the file. In this sidebar, you will see a tab named Activity. Click on Activity to access the activity details for your selected file. This section provides a comprehensive history of interactions with the file, including who viewed, edited, or commented on it, and when those interactions occurred. It's an excellent way to stay informed about your shared documents and keep track of any unexpected access or changes. And there you have it. That's how you can easily see who has viewed your Google Drive files. This feature is a great tool for managing document collaboration and ensures you always know who is engaging with your files. Remember, keeping an eye on your Drive activity can offer insights into the usage patterns of your shared content. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on navigating and mastering Google Drive.